This much I'm using. Hey, what's going on, everyone? I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic. And this is a video of a protein that has been requested multiple times. There are a few differences here. I mean, you're seeing Amazon, and then you saw the thumbnail, and you said why. Then there are the questions. I'm going to answer those, but let's just unbox this. Here we go. MYPROTEIN Impact Whey. So, there's a 250 grams of package, right? And it's from Paradise Nutrition, which is the importer, and it's imported in July 2018. All these things are there. Everything's written. There's this flavored on the chocolate smooth flavor. This is concentrated whey protein. It costed me somewhere around $900. I'll put the actual price in here, and also you can check the link in the description. Now, why did I buy it from Amazon? That's the big question, right? Because you see all these advertisements that buy it from MYPROTEIN directly and all. So there are a few things. One, as a reviewer, I need smaller packages. That's really helpful. Nobody's selling me smaller packages from MYPROTEIN.in, right? Because they got 1 kg, 5 kg, 10 kilograms. I personally don't like that selling strategy, because when someone's buying at 10 kilograms, 20 kilograms, they should get more discount than the one that they're providing there. Second thing is, the time required for getting MYPROTEIN is huge. You know, I made a video on GM Nutrition that their delivery system is slow. Now, if I can say that for them, I can say this for these guys also. It doesn't matter where you're bringing it from. You're bringing it from Mars, I don't really care. If I'm paying you and I'm paying you up front, then I need my stuff fast. So that's why I try to review it from Amazon, because if I can understand that from Amazon you're getting good stuff, then why not buy from Amazon, right? So anyway, and the smaller package also. So let's just open it up. It's a very common product. Everyone knows about it. It's very fine powder. It's not a granular powder. It's quite fine. Wow, this is a bit different chocolate taste than I've ever tasted. It's not like that. It should be. It's different. It's good, but it's not those double chocolate things that I keep on testing on Indian brands or sometimes international brands also. It's different. I don't know, whoever tasted MYPROTEIN might be able to tell better. But that's the hot group and everything is here. Now, to check the authenticity, because it's difficult for me to tell the authenticity, I did something. I dropped a mail. I called up Amazon customer care and I talked to them. I said, here's the thing I purchased. Here's it's a supplement, and I want to know if it's authentic or not. How can you prove it's authentic? So what they told me is, here, this thing. They're saying that if anybody's selling MYPROTEIN or any international brands that they are not the manufacturer of, then Amazon demands proper distribution, manufacturing, or importer license from them. So whoever this company is who's selling it, and here Paradise Nutrition, the actual licenses Amazon has, those have been uploaded, and then only those are being sold. So that's one part that I did from my side. If you know anything through which I can check, please let me know. If you've used Impact Whey, please let me know. Does it taste? Does the chocolate taste different than any other chocolate that I've tasted before? It tastes better, actually, different but better. Just let me know in the comment section. That'd be really helpful. And the review's coming up. This is just an unboxing. So I hope you like this video, and I thank you a lot for all the time you spend in watching this video. Thanks a lot for your support. Have an awesome life, folks. Ciao. Okay, so I thought that I'd do a bit of mixability test because a small unboxing is probably not worth the video. So there's my shaker and here's the MYPROTEIN stuff, whatever small pouch I got. So the scoop is a really interesting looking scoop actually they gave. Right, I'm going to use some amount of it. So let's say this much I'm using. Right, this much of protein I'm using. Let's put it in the scoop in the bottle and see how it works. Keep it aside, and I'll give it a stir. Let me focus it in here. So it kind of mixed well, except for a big chunk of lump on the top. As you can see, I think you can see on this side, there's a lump. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to shake it and see if it mixes. Alright, so that's how it mixes. Wee bit of froth, not too much, that's expected. It's a concentrate protein with a bunch of stuff added to that. Not much of a froth should happen, but some froth. And there's no sinker, there's no floater, just a few lumps here and there, which is okay. Concentrate's gonna have that, and mostly the chocolate flavor, but otherwise it mixed really well. Just a wee bit of 5 second, 6 second shake. It's really good. Let me taste it. Wow, this is definitely different chocolate flavor. I've never tasted something like this. It's unlike Muscle Blaze. It's unlike Nutrimid, or even the Ultimate Nutrition. Ultimate Nutrition is really sweet, so this is sweet too. But it's got a nice creamy taste to it. You know, the name kind of justifies the name that they say chocolate smooth. It's kind of like that. It's smooth. It's a creamy taste. So yeah, I just wanted to complement the whole unboxing video with a mixability test so that you can check it on your side how it mixes. That's it.